Hey everyone! Today, I'm gonna teach you 3 simple tricks to speak English faster and more fluently. You know, a lot of learners sound like robots when they speak. For example, they say, I am going to go to the store, and it sounds so slow and boring. But native speakers don't talk like that. We speak fast, we connect words, and we sound natural. So today, I'm gonna show you 3 tricks. With these tricks, your English will sound so much more natural. I promise. Alright, trick number 1, gonna. I know you already know this, but let me show you why it's so powerful. Instead of saying I am going to, say I'm gonna. For example, instead of saying I am going to eat dinner, say I'm gonna eat dinner. See? So much shorter and more natural, right? Here are 10 more examples for you. 1. I'm gonna call you later. 2. She's gonna be so happy. 3. We're gonna go to the beach. 4. He's gonna get a new job. 5. I'm gonna study harder. 6. They're gonna love this movie. 7. I'm gonna make dinner. 8. She's gonna travel to Paris. 9. We're gonna have a meeting. 10. I'm gonna learn English. Now repeat after me. I'm gonna call you later. We're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna learn English. Great. Now, let's move to trick number 2. Trick number 2, wanna. Instead of saying I want to, say I wanna. For example, instead of saying I wanna go home, say I wanna go home. Much smoother, right? Here are 10 more examples. 1. I wanna travel the world. 2. Do you wanna grab some coffee? 3. They wanna join us. 4. I wanna learn Spanish. 5. She doesn't want to go. 6. We want to buy a new car. 7. Do you want to watch a movie? 8. He wants to come. Want to invite him? 9. I really want to help you. 10. I want to be a doctor. Now repeat after me. I want to travel the world. Do you want to grab some coffee? I want to be a doctor. Perfect. Now let's move to the final trick. Trick number 3, Lemme and Gimme. Instead of saying let me, say lemme. For example, instead of let me help you, say let me help you. And instead of saying give me, say gimme. For example, instead of give me a minute, say gimme a minute. These 2 are super common in movies and everyday conversations. Here are 10 examples with lemme. 1. Let me think about it. 2. Let me know if you're coming. 3. Let me see your phone. 4. Let me try that. 5. Let me explain. 6. Let me check my schedule. 7. Let me call you back. 8. Let me guess. You're from London? 9. Let me take a photo. 10. Let me help you with that. And 10 examples with gimme. 1. Gimme your phone number. 2. Gimme a second. 3. Gimme the keys. 4. Gimme a chance. 5. Gimme your opinion. 6. Gimme a call later. 7. Gimme some time. 8. Gimme a hug. 9. Gimme some advice. 10. Gimme that book. Now repeat after me. Let me help you. Gimme a minute. Let me know if you're coming. Awesome. Now let's practice all 3 together. Here are 10 sentences that use all 3 tricks. 1. I'm gonna practice every day because I want to speak fluently. 2. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. 3. I want to learn English, so I'm gonna study hard. 4. Let me give you some advice. Use gonna and wanna. 5. I'm gonna travel next year and I want to visit Japan. 6. Let me know if you want to join me. 7. I'm gonna order pizza. Do you want to eat with me? 8. Let me see, I'm gonna need some time. 9. I want to be fluent, so I'm gonna practice every day. 10. Let me tell you a secret. I'm gonna be famous one day. See how natural all of these sound? This is how native speakers talk. Now it's your turn to practice. Before we finish, let me answer 2 common questions. First, can I use these in a job interview? Yes, but not too much. Use them in casual parts, but use formal English when you talk about your skills. Second, is gimme rude? No, but it's informal. Use it with friends, but not with your boss or in a formal email. Now you know exactly when and how to use these tricks. Now it's your turn. Write a comment using all 3 tricks in one sentence. For example, I'm gonna practice every day because I want to speak fluently. Let me start now. Or anything you like. I'll read every comment and reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Emily Daily English, because I've got so many more videos coming. See you in the next one.